Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to optimize your page content for SEO in Wix Studio. Whether you're building your first website or you're looking to take your site's ranking to the next level, these actionable steps will help make your pages more discoverable, relevant, and attractive to both search engines and real people. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune every corner of your page so you can boost your online visibility and drive more traffic. Let's get started. First things first, open your site in the Wix Studio Editor. If you haven't used this editor before, it's where all the creative magic happens. Think of it as your control center for designing and managing your web pages. Now, look over to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Stacked Layers icon to open the Pages panel. This panel lets you see all your site's pages in one easy spot. Next, hover over the page you want to optimize. Click the Settings button, then choose SEO Basics. This is a really important area because these settings are basically the first impression your page will make in search engine results. Here, you can edit the page title, meta description, URL slug, and a few other essentials. Take your time here. Optimizing these core elements lays the foundation for good SEO. Now, let's really dive into on-page SEO. Let's start with the page title, sometimes called the meta title. You want to keep this under about 60 characters, and it's critical to include your primary keyword in a natural way. For instance, if you're a wedding photographer in Manila, Wedding Photography Services in Manila, studio name, is concise and targeted. Your page title doesn't just help search engines understand your focus, it also catches the eyes of potential clients when they see it in Google search results. Right below the title comes the meta description. This should be between 150 and 160 characters, a brief, punchy summary of what your page offers, plus a call to action. For example, capture your special day with professional wedding photography in Manila. Book your session today. Think of the meta description as your website's elevator pitch. If you can get someone interested in 3 seconds, you're on the right track. The URL slug is next. It's that bit of the web address that comes right after your domain. You want it to be short, descriptive, and include your keyword. So instead of something generic like page 1, use wedding photography. This not only looks professional, but it helps search engines understand what your page is about. Little details like this really do stack up over time. Let's talk headings. You should only use one H1 tag per page. This is your main topic. Break up the content with H2 or H3 headings to organize information and keep things readable. Imagine you're outlining a story. Each heading is like a chapter marker that guides your audience and search engines alike. It's great for SEO, but also for your visitor's experience. Images matter too. Every image should have descriptive alt text. So, instead of IMG 032, write something meaningful like bride and groom outdoor wedding photo in Manila. Not only does this help with SEO, it also makes your site accessible for people using screen readers. Internal linking is another powerful step. Whenever you mention a related topic, like your portfolio, link to that page directly. It's like giving search engines a roadmap of your site and helps users find more of your great content. Now, Wix Studio offers built-in SEO features that can make your job easier. Hop into the Settings menu, then go to SEO and Marketing. Use the SEO Assistant tool here. It scans your site and checks for missing tags, broken links, or gaps in your keyword strategy. It's like having a second set of eyes on your site, so don't skip it. Structured data, also known as schema markup, is baked in for some page types like blogs and products, but for custom pages, you can add schema manually with JSON LD in advanced SEO settings. It's a bit advanced, but it can really help search engines understand your page content in more detail. Don't forget mobile optimization. Switch to mobile view in Wix Studio and make sure everything looks and feels good on smaller screens. Text should be easy to read, buttons should be big enough to tap, and content should load quickly. Most visitors today are on their phones, so this step is crucial. Finally, keep your content unique and valuable. Avoid copying, and focus every page on one main keyword plus related terms. Enrich your pages with multimedia, images, videos, galleries, and always give visitors a clear call to action like book now or contact us. These little signals make a big difference in driving conversions. All right, that's it for today's walkthrough. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Wix SEO or optimizing your site. And don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. See you next time.